So what's up guys, nandito ako ulit ngayon upang react yung Deserves, Costocly and Flo G official music video prod by Flip D. So pasensya na, medyo maingay pa rin yung surroundings kasi nga yung mic ko hindi pa rin nakalagay sa condenser mic, pero yeah, inaano ko pa rin na sana malapag ko na siya sa condenser mic kasi hindi pa ako nakahanap ng converter. Pero ngayon starteran na natin to, kakauwi ko lang galing school. Tapos angas to deserve, ganun talaga siya ka-real quick. Yung angas parang gusto niya sabihin, yung angas deserve nila. So yeah, umpisa na natin, patayin ko lang ulit yung mic and then react na tayo ulit. So mabilisan lang tong reaction video na to. So fresh to, hindi ko pa naririnig, kakauwi ko lang. So yeah, let's get it, patayin ko lang ulit yung mic. Let's go!
Flip on the beat.
Diamonds on my ring, I deserve that. Rollie on my wrist, yeah, I deserve that. Got 100 million hits and you can check that. Why you still hating? Why you still hating? Yeah. Icy on my neck, I deserve that. You can't tell me nothing, bitch, I got my own swag. Flexing on your ass, you deserve that. I know why you hating, I know why you hating. Yeah. These haters tryna fuck with me, yeah. Cause I got some money with me, yeah. Pero di ko sila masisisi. Di nila afford kaya hindi makabili. I got some Gucci, Louis V, bandana. Popping bottles with my team, no cameras, oh yeah. I know why you're mad. You ain't got no money, you will never gonna be blessed. Mahal ako ni God. Ikaw hanggang ngayon, pangarap mo di matupad. Ingit ka yan kasi ang katotohanan ubad. Sa sobra mong update, tinataboy ka ng yung squad. Iba na ako, man. Yung dating ako sa utak mo ay yung burahin. Ba't di pa tanggapin? Mas lalo lang pumera. Kahit bagalan ko'y iwan ka pa rin sa karera. I got my diamonds on my ring, I deserve that. Rollie on my wrist.
So goddamn, sobrang laki ng pagka-flex dito guys. Naka Rolex sila, naka diamond ring, naka diamond necklace, tapos si Flo G naka gold teeth. So pre, grabe no. Ibig sabihin, sabi ni Costocly, habang sila umaangat, ikaw hate ka pa din ng hate. So parang ikaw na lang talaga yung hindi tumatanggap sa kanila, no? Ikaw na lang talaga yung hindi tumatanggap doon sa mga haters talaga. Yung tipong tinatanggap na sila ng society o tinatanggap na sila ng mundo, ikaw na lang talaga yung hindi matanggap-tanggap na bakit kaya, no? Hindi ko alam eh. Pero no doubt man, Costocly is Costocly, Flo G is Flo G. So bakit gano'n, no? Pero yeah, kaya sabi ni Costocly dito talaga, haters gonna hit talaga, pero hindi mo maalis sa kanila yung kinang nila, kumbaga parang deserve nila lahat ng mga bagay na natatama nila. So let's go, ano ko naman sinasabi, let's get it. Kay Flo G naman nata next.
Yeah, I deserve that. Got 100 million hits and you can check that. Why you still hating? Why you still hating? Yeah. Icy on my neck, I deserve that. You can't tell me nothing, bitch, I got my own swag. Flexing on your ass, you deserve that. I know why you hating, I know why you hating. Yeah.
This shit is crazy, why you hate me? Ganito ka di naman sana kung di ka lazy. All I need is money, fucking pay me. Billionaire na ako simula pa 2020. Di ko na dapat i-flex to, kaso tiyempo. Mabait ako, gusto ko alisin stress mo. Alam kong gusto mo malaman magkano presyo ng sweldo. Sige convert mo dollar to peso. Ano kayo mga tuli? Doon kayo mali. Malabo na kung humiga pa sa panig. Lagi akong presko, I just wanna flex that I'm blessed, cause I got my icy on my neck. Iba na ako, men. Yung ambisyon ko nagawa kong to pa rin. Dati patanggapin ang lalo ng pumera. Kahit bagalang ko iwang ka pa rin sa karera. Repa
Diamonds on my ring, I deserve that. Rollie on my wrist, yeah, I deserve that. Got 100 million hits and you can check that. Why you still hating? Why you still hating? Yeah. Icy on my neck, I deserve that. You can't tell me nothing, bitch, I got my
So, damn, kay Flo G naman, sinasabi niya na try mo daw i-convert yung kinikita nila to dollar to peso. So, malaki talaga yon man. Malaki talaga yon. So, tapos sinasabi pa niya, inulit lang niya yung sinabi ni Skastakli na kahit nang yung gawin, parang kahit anong gawin kong bagal, huli ka pa rin sa karera. So, parang inulit lang din na yung sinabi ni Flo G. What the fuck? Bro! So, ayun. Sorry, tinawag ako eh. So, yeah. Ganun lang yung sinasabi ni Flo G din. So, grabe talaga yung links nila. So, starteran ulit natin. Ulitin ko lang ng konti.
And you can check that. Why you still hating? Why you still hating? Yeah. I see on my neck, I deserve that. You can't tell me nothing, bitch. I got my own swag. Flexing on your ass, you deserve that. I know why you hating. I know why you're hating. Yeah. Diamonds on my ring, I deserve that.
Grabe naman guys, sobrang pinupurga tayo ngayon sa summer na itong ni Skastakli ni Flo G. Bro, yung kaka-release lang nila ng kanta which is To Angas To Convert Nyo To Deserve. Grabe man, parang kakaano lang nila. So, aabangan ko to kasi kung may angas siya, may deserve, malay nyo may susunod pa. So baka ito na yung sinasabi ni Skastakli na maglalapag siya ng maraming kanta which is pupurgay na tayo sa kanta. So feeling ko ito na yun guys. Stay tuned na naman, sobrang solid na ito. Tapos yung kanta pala nila top 2 trending and then ito top 21 trending in music. So ano yan, magkakaroon kaya sila magkasunod kaya, no? Ganyan 2, 3 kaya or 1, 2 tas and so on and so forth. So yeah, this is a real quick reaction video and hindi ko na kailangan pa bigyan ng opinion to man. Skastakli and Flo G, wala na to. Kumbaga parang iba na kalidad nito man. So yeah, so dito na tatapusin. At yun lang yung reaction video for today. Sobrang angas talaga, and then yung quality of the video sobrang solid, pang international talaga yung video at atake nila. So 4K resolution. So yeah, this is Josh and Suda. Thank you for the watching. Shit.